here with you, and I thought we would make some embellishment for future cards, and using the Craspire wonderful sets, and I figured I would make some seals, do them on this so that I can lift them up after and actually use them as embellishments for my cards. So the seal I've got, I don't even know how I got it. Honestly, like, I've had it in forever, and I've got a feeling that it might have been a gift. It says Merry Christmas, so you know, I thought it'd be fun to make this with the Christmas, because of the fact that I had all these beautiful greens here, which I thought would be perfect for this. So let's get this show on the road, shall we? And then we can use the embellishments once they're done. So you've got all kinds of beautiful little beads of wax. Then there's this little thing here, this little spoon, and the little warmer. And the link will be in the description box below for all of the stuff that I'm using. As I said, this is Craspire. You can find the they also offer a discount code, so anybody that wants to get some stuff can get a discount over a certain amount of money spent. So let's do we could do just a few of the same of this color, let's say. I'm so not patient. Have to be patient to let it melt. Guess once the little spoon gets hot, it's gonna go faster, I'm pretty sure. But for now, like, it's already starting to want to melt. I'm trying to see if I've got something that I can use to stir it. I do have the little spoon. Where did I put my little spoon? There's a little spoon with that set. Ah, there it is. There's a little spoon, and there's little pens as well, which I thought would be fun, because then we can embellish the word. So here's a little spoon, so we can actually stir this up and get this going. It's melting pretty fast. So now it's all melted. So what I'm gonna do is just pour it onto the non-stick sheet, and I'm just gonna put my seal into it and press, and that's it. So that's one done. So let's try a darker, one of the darker green. Of course, this is going to be like a mix. Of colors, that one, because of the fact that there was still some lighter green in there. And I also have a little bit here that melted on the edge. Oh, that's going to be a nice color. I feel like I'm cooking something up. Okay, so spread this out. I want to make sure that I get as much as possible out of there. And press. And voila. I am loving these so much. Now let's try the pale green. This is addictive. Could do quite a lot ahead of time, and then all you need to do is let them rest, and then once they're ready, there you go. You've got the little embellishments. So now the question is, once we've got them done, we'll shut this down and we'll do the writing. But I want a few more, just so that I have enough to make a few Christmas cards. So, there we go. Let's do one more, and maybe we can do some pale and some darker together, and that will be it for this session. But oh, so much fun. And once you get this going, because the thing is, I love doing this, but I don't use it as much on my letters as I should, and mostly it's because of the fact that you need to let it let it melt and stuff. So I tend not to use these little kits as much as I should, which is why I was thinking that it'd be fun to make them ahead of time. This way I can actually use them in embellishment and things. Without having to pull my kit out, you know? Okay, so that's gonna be the last one for now. But they all turned out very pretty. So let's put that away, and ouch, that was hot. Okay, so then what I'm thinking of doing is using this, because that's the goal of this thing, and to use it to highlight the word, because that's the reason for this. That's the beauty of this one, this specific kit. Just try to get into the view and have you guys close enough so that you can actually see what I'm doing. So basically you just go over the sections that you want with this gel type of pen, and you can actually put little details on your stamp. On your wax, which I didn't know that you could do this, so I was very excited to see this in the kit. And hopefully you can see on that one I did the silver because I thought it was pretty for this one. So let's do the gold on this one here, which is a darker green. Oh, that's nice. I didn't think on the turquoise the gold would be as nice, but on this one it's amazing. Hopefully you guys can kind of see. Trying to just stay on the raised area of the stamp. Isn't that pretty? I'm really loving how these are turning out. So then the next one that we did was this one. Thinking for that one the silver would be probably better, and this one we'll do the gold again. So it's really fun. These kits came with the bottle of the different greens that you saw me use, but they also came with some pinks and pink and orange type of coral type of colors. Yeah. And voila, here's the last one. So I really love how these turned out. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing me use them. You will see obviously me using these embellishments on cards that we will be making together. But yeah, thought it would be something fun for you guys to see. Go check out Craspire. The link will be in the description box below of the video. And I love you guys so much. Take care. Bye.